Mind Cafe Happiness Matters. So today's topic is fear of future in COVID-19. So one of the major fear I think all of us have is about health and your career only. So your mind is always traveling to the future, and you're put up in fear. Like your heart is beating faster maybe, or you feel very insecure inside. So if you ask yourself, what is it fear is all about? Is it's only natural emotion which comes up only when you're put up in danger. So your brain starts to protect you by going into the primitive part of your the back of your brain, that is we call it the hindbrain, where you start secreting pumping hormones where it makes you feel that you're in survival mode actually. So that's the reason sometimes you may get so instead of that, I think you have to ask yourself, am I in danger? Because only in danger this brain shift happens. So instead of that, ask yourself, is it something harm is going to happen to me? No. Because just because of this, you're not going to put into any kind of death or any harm. It's only everyone is facing facing the same phenomenon. We are trying to prevent it, and we know that we are safe enough with the dear ones and in a home only. So we are taking all the precautions. So this fear is about not only about something that could happen or something would not happen, or maybe something would be this would be sustained like this, or what if my previous experience is something like someone passed away, or maybe dear ones, or whatever, my job loss or whatever, it could again happen again. So something like this only we usually try to, mind will try to keep on focusing. But more than this, one of the main reasons that we fear is not only about this actually. It's like the discomfort that we are having right now, where your mind is traveling to the future again because you're not satisfied with what is happening, or you're not enjoying the present moment actually. That is the reason also. But more than that, the more important reason is your version of yours, that is your best version of yours, which you love to be and which you want to be, or which who you are, somewhere it is very far away, somewhere disconnected. And that is the reason you're so insecure inside and you're so fearful actually. What if I don't achieve what I want in my life? What if I'm not being the person who I'm going to be in my future? This all that could be also the other reason, that I would say primary reason for your fear. So now telling about this all, I think you have to understand that this is not helpful. So instead of fear, I shift from fear to awareness. Okay, what is awareness here? It's again, you're going to be that you are put up in a situation where something is not very safe enough, but still you're going to take action. Whereas in fear, you get frozen up and you won't take action. But in awareness, you are more so mindful, you are so involved in the present, and you're going to notice only in the present moment. Because whatever you are today is because of your past actions. Whatever actions and every step you've taken earlier in your life brought you here today of your mental state or your emotional state. So it is 100% your responsibility of whatever you have taken. And instead of putting the blame on others or blaming yourself, or instead of trying to blame the situation, it's more important that I take the wholeness of in myself. In that way, I could be in more awareness and take charge of myself in the present moment. So how do I do that? So one is have clarity of what who you are actually. So write down. I would give you one tip for you here is find out your 3 important values. Write down the values and form a statement of with that values of who you are. Suppose you value freedom, love, and helping nature. So you just can frame a statement of coming out, this is what a person I want to be. So start working on yourself. Start becoming the better version of yourself, rather than focusing on anything else. No, because whatever is outside, it's it doesn't have power on you. It's all about you. About yourself, your relationship with yourself. So start loving yourself first of all. Instead of putting yourself in fear, I want to put yourself in with a lot of compassion, and feel good about yourself and start loving yourself. That is one thing. Second one is, I would say, I'll give you a small technique called mindfulness, which will help you to be in the present. Which it's just a simple one where you just bring your awareness complete in the present moment. Your 5 senses, that is suppose you're reading a book, you come in touch with the book paper, how you're touching the book, and the smell of the paper, and the way you touch the texture of it, and then you can see the vision, the book reading, whole thing, you just have a vision of it. And then if at all, when you're turning the paper, the hearing, or the sounds, whatever, so using the 5 senses, and then you just enjoy the reading. you could fully involved in the moment, like how a child is involved in the play. Same way, the more you are in the present, the more your thoughts will be also positive. If you see that only when you go to the future or when you go to the past, only your thoughts are negative. But when you are in the present, you are 100% going to be your neutral thoughts only. So help yourself always to be in the present by using mindfulness, and moreover find out your whole self, the who you are actually and what kind of person you want to be, and work on that. And that is the only way to feel yourself, stay connected with yourself and feel safe inside.